Alright guys, welcome to 4.6 Savage. Now today, I've disassembled the transmission. I have rebuilt all the clutches except the reverse. Now I'm going to show you why I didn't rebuild the reverse. All the ones out of there. Still got a couple more. There we go. That broken metal piece, which fell out. This is in the reverse drive, guys. This is what also broke inside my transmission. So that one will be here Tuesday, and I'll replace that and rebuild the reverse clutch, and then I'll throw everything back together. I also pressure washed my transmission. If you can see how clean it looks. It's real nice. A lot cleaner than it was. I have a video coming out on how to do the valve body. That was taken with the GoPro. I know my GoPro skills are not all the way where they should be, but we'll get there at some point. I ordered a new intake, but things happened and it has to be reshipped out to me. I'll do another video on that at some point, but that's all for this video. Remember, like and subscribe, and be savage.